Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. If you are using your smart plug to turn off and on a lamp, then why don't you change the type of your smart plug from a plug to a light? This will allow you to control your plug as a light in your Alexa enabled group. To do this, on the Amazon Alexa app, tap on the menu icon on the top left side of the screen and choose Settings. Tap on Device Settings. Now tap on your plug. Tap on the wheel icon on the top right side of the screen. Now tap on Type. Then choose Light. Now if you go back to your devices, you will find a light icon next to your plug. You can now create a group to turn on or off all your lights at home and add this plug as part of the light group. Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to create a group in Alexa. A simple way to make your Alexa smart plug operate as a smart light. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.